Growing your small business does not have to mean taking on massive debt. You can scale your company without raising a single dollar of outside cash. This is the core principle of the Trillium Growth Blueprint. It is a powerful idea that puts control back into your hands. The secret is not about finding new money. It is about maximizing the value you already have within your business. Many owners believe that acquisition, or finding new customers, is the only path to growth. However, this is often the most expensive and least effective way to expand your operations. The truth is that your existing customers are your greatest asset, and learning how to serve them better is the most direct path to a bigger, stronger business. The cost of acquiring a new customer is always higher than the cost of keeping an existing one. Think about the resources you spend on advertising, outreach, and promotions. Retaining a customer costs much less. They know you, trust you, and have already purchased. Before you can build, you must understand your foundation. The first step is a simple but thorough audit of the last 6 to 12 months of sales. Identify your best-selling products or services. Spot the items that are not moving. This tells you what your customers truly want. Identify your top customers. The 80-20 rule often applies. 20% drive 80% of revenue. No big analytics team needed. Ask simple questions of the data you already have. Who buys most often? Who spends the most in a single transaction? How did they find you? Gather intel with a short email survey and a few friendly calls to your top 10 clients. Spend 1 to 2 weeks collecting data to guide months of strategy. Track 3 KPIs: top 20% customer share, repeat purchase rate, and average order value. 30-day goal: compile your baseline. You will see which products to promote or discontinue and who your VIPs are. Do a quick monthly audit to stay data-driven and scale without waste. Keeping a customer is 5 times cheaper than finding a new one. Let that sink in. Your most straightforward path to growth is stopping customers from leaving. Create a loyalty loop. Make every buyer feel valued and appreciated, eager to return. Start right after purchase. A simple automated thank you or a handwritten note. Include a small, unexpected offer for the next visit. Train staff to recognize regulars and solve repeat client issues fast. Implement a simple loyalty program. It does not need to be complex. Punch cards are visual, simple, effective. Online, use a basic points system with attainable rewards. 90-day goal: launch one basic loyalty or follow-up system and track repeat purchase rate, churn, and sign-ups. Test rewards for 1 month to see what drives engagement. Give simple scripts. Example: we love having you as a customer and look forward to seeing you again soon. Consistent actions build a defense against churn and a community of loyal fans. Once you have secured your customer base, increase value per transaction, gently. This is not pushy, it is helpful. Use upselling and cross-selling. Cross-sell complementary items that enhance the purchase. Upsell a better version or size for a small extra charge. Plan pairings and train the team. Create small bundles with a slight discount, like seeds, soil, and a pot for one price. Use one-sentence scripts. Many who buy this also find this helpful. Would you like to add it today? Track average order value and attachment rate, the share of multi-item orders. 60-day goal: test 2 or 3 upsell or cross-sell offers. Let the data pick winners. Extend upsells via email with related products. Boost revenue without bigger ad budgets, one of your most efficient growth levers. Your happiest customers are your most powerful, cost-effective marketing team. Systematize word of mouth with a simple referral program that is easy to share and clearly rewarded. Offer double-sided incentives so advocates feel generous and friends have a reason to buy. Pick a sustainable reward, valuable but affordable. Example: give a friend $10 off their first purchase. You get $10 credit when they buy. Promote it everywhere: in-bag cards, email banners, and at checkout. 90-day goal: design, launch, and test. Track referral conversion rate, referral new customers, and cost per referral. Use unique codes or links to attribute and reward accurately. Pair referrals with low-cost content, behind the scenes, product and use photos, short testimonials, and Google Yelp reviews. Build an email list and send a simple weekly or bi-weekly newsletter. Over 180 days, this creates a ripple effect. Happy customers bring more, fueling organic, unstoppable growth.